In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts into a segment on Mautic. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move the right contacts into the right segments and how to remove them from segments you no longer want them in. Start by heading to your Mautic login page and signing in with your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, go to Contacts. This is where all your leads and customers are listed and where you can take bulk actions on them. If you're working with a large list, use the search or filters to narrow down to the exact group you want to update before you proceed. Next, select the contacts you want to move to another segment. You can tick the checkbox next to individual contacts or select all visible records if that's what you need. Be intentional here. Segments drive campaigns, emails, and automations, so make sure you're selecting only the contacts that should receive those changes. With your contacts selected, look for the three dots, also known as the Actions menu. Click that to open the bulk action options. Choose Change Segments. This opens a panel that lets you add contacts to segments and, if necessary, remove them from others at the same time. Under Add to the Following, open the drop-down and choose the segment you want. You can add more than one if your strategy calls for it. Think of this as telling Mautic, these contacts now belong to this audience. If you don't see a segment you expect, confirm that it already exists in your account and that you have access to it. If you also need to remove these contacts from an existing segment, use the Remove from the Following drop-down. Select the segment you want them taken out of. This is helpful for cleaning up overlaps or ensuring contacts only live in a single, most accurate segment at a time. Remember, this action won't delete contacts, it just updates their segment membership. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Save. Mautic will process the update and apply your changes to every contact you selected. For larger lists, give it a moment. A quick tip: after saving, refresh your view or filter by the segment name to verify that the contacts now appear where you expect. This is a simple way to confirm your bulk update worked as intended. That's it. You logged in, opened contacts, selected your records, used change segments, added them where they belong, optionally removed them from other segments, and saved your changes. Your segments should now be accurate and ready for campaigns and automation.